Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to fill up the form Colombia Check MIG in order to travel to Colombia. Before I proceed further, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, lot of countries have some kind of pre-arrival forms so that they can collect information about who is coming in and anything that they want to declare or for the similar items. So Colombia has this Check MIG. So I've opened its site. It's available in other languages too. Okay. So when you are ready, click on apply now. One application form for up to 6 members. 72 hours prior to your travel you can do, and you can prepare your travel documents and valid pass. Means it's just to uh, give them the information, and even if you have a visa you need to do. Okay, and it is valid for the time of your stay. Okay, all right. They have support details too if you want to. All right, so I'm going to put some sample. You do it as per your own case. Email is very much important because this is where they're going to send it. I'm just putting sample. First name, last name, date of birth, gender, country of birth, country of residence, your passport information, passport issued by country. You are, so I select visiting. You travel with, most of people use commercial. What is the purpose of your trip? I select holiday. Date of departure to Colombia. Oh, sorry. Country of departure to Colombia. Let's say you're coming all the way from India. Airport of departure. Let's say airline company. Let's say you're coming from Air India. Flight number. Airport of arrival in Colombia. Let's say you're going to Bogota. Date of arrival. Hotel. Name and a hotel information or any other accommodation that you are doing. So I'll just say Hotel A and its address, whatever it is. Phone number, local. Of course, if you have done the booking, you know this. Are you traveling with either USD or respectively any currency in cash? I select no. Are you traveling alone? I select yes. Check MIG eligibility. Next. So billing details. Just put it. I'm not gonna pay for it, guys. You can review the form. Proceed to payment. Of course, I'm not gonna do, but this is how it can be done. Okay. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.